everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy. I am so happy today. I'm celebrating my 2,500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All my subscribers, you are the real VIP. Yes, VVVI. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping me to grow. Thank you so much. That's give me more reason for me to do more in this channel. This video is for me to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and also to say something very important based on the comments that one of my subscribers dropped on the comment section. And I believe that you that is viewing this video, you want to learn more about that comment. So if you want to gain something, I would advise you to listen to the end of this video. Question or the comment goes like this: I don't still understand how we can earn on this. He doesn't understand, or she doesn't understand how to earn as a ghostwriter. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to earn as a ghostwriter. I'm not going to rush this video, and at the same time I'm not going to make this video to be long, because I'm going to be going straight to the point. But before I do that, can you do one thing for me? If you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. And also, do not forget to like this video. If you love the face that you are seeing, like this video for me, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you. In today's video, let's just go into today's video. There are a lot of ways to earn as a ghostwriter. Yes, ghostwriters can write assignments for people. Ghostwriters can write novels for people. They can write articles for sites. They can write stories for sites, and many more. For example, a lot of people can't write their assignments or their projects or stories or articles by themselves. That's why they are looking for ghostwriters to do it for them. There are a lot of sites out there that you can be able to write for. You can write essay for people, you can write assignment for people, you can write novel for people, and so on and so forth. When you are doing that, you are serving as a ghostwriter. All the sites that I have listed on this my channel is all about you writing for them and submitting in their sites. You are not selling it as your own. They are selling it as their own, and they will give you the little out of the money they are making. That's why when I'm giving out sites, I will post their writers benefits. So if you say that you don't understand how to earn as a ghostwriter, that means you have a lot of things to do. If you want to learn writing, you have to calm down. If you calm down and learn how to write very well, you can make money for years. Even if you don't write for these web novel sites, you can write for people. For example, if I contact you and you are a good writer, if you write for me, I have an amount to pay you for per word. Even if you don't write for web novel sites, you can write for individuals. That's why we have Upwork, for example. There you can go there and create your account. If you create your account, you can upload that you are in your description that you are a ghostwriter. There are a lot of ways to earn as a ghostwriter. You can write article for people, write essay, write project, write novels, and so on and so forth. Someone that is confused about how to earn in these various sites, I urge you to go and watch most of my videos. People are making money through this my channel, just that they are not giving me the credit. They will eat and put inside their pocket. But no offense, I'm happy that they are making money, and that's my aim. Okay, so if you want to make money, there are two things for you to do in this my channel. You can be able to go and browse free knowledge and get in touch with what you want. Okay, this my channel is more elaborate on how to get contract, how to write outline, how to upload in this site. Okay, you can learn through there and go on and make your money. But if you want a course and a mentorship program that will guide you throughout your ghostwriting training and make your journeys very smooth, that's when you will contact me. okay, and I will direct you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share with friends, hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my videos. I'm still celebrating my 2005 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you have any question, do well to drop it on the comment section. I am going to answer them all. Okay, if you have question, okay, don't come to my DM and be asking me question. Ask your question on the YouTube channel so that I will be able to answer you back. Okay, until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.